I'm Roksana Badrudoja. So I'm super excited to be coming to Esalen. I'll be there from June 9th to June 13th. And the primary question is, how might we think about grief? And what are the lessons we can learn from grief? We're all living in a time of tremendous turbulence, and this is often marked by seemingly irreparable heartbreak, grief, loss, pain, and suffering. And at the same time, there's a collective awakening in this moment that's resurging to help us access our personal wisdom and healing capabilities. Esalen is more than a retreat center. It's a living threshold between land and sea, sky and soil, silence and song. There's something about this land that disarms the body and softens the spirit. It holds you, cradles you, and slowly helps dissolve the protective walls that we've built around our hearts. The ocean's rhythm reminds us of breath. The redwoods remind us of lineage. The spaciousness reminds us that we don't need to rush healing. It's already in motion. Here, the illusion of separation falls away. And we remember that we're held, that we're not alone. Esalen isn't just a location. It's a frequency. And I'm so excited to tune to it in person.